Welcome student to the class of Artificial Intelligence by Soumen sir. Here I am discussing the resolution technique. In my previous video, I explained you how to resolution technique helps us to resolve the problem. The conflictness arises in the statements. To reduce this conflictness, we are using resolution solution technique. Here, when you're giving some command through statements or through some voices or through some gestures to a robot or to an automated system, basically the automated system taking our voices or gestures or command as a statement. And if any conflict arises, then it performs totally automatic about designers. Basically, it gives some opposite reactions and the solution is gives a problem, and based on this problem our designers output will be not getting as per our expected output. So we obviously resolve the resolution technique and reduce the conflictness arises in the statements. Here I am showing you how to resolve this solve and the problem using unification algorithm, and here I am giving you another example. Basically, we have to get the phi or null, and then we find out, and we can say our assumption is proper. If we're not getting any phi, then our assumption is totally wrong, and we take another assumption. Here I am showing you another problem and the solution. Also, I am explaining you the problem like this: it is hot, the humidity is high, the sky is cloudy, and proved by resolution that it will rain. So you have to assume, as per our previous video, each and every sentence as a particular letter. P equivalent to the humidity is high, Q equivalent to the sky is cloudy, R equivalent to it will rain, S it is hot. So our goal is it will rain. So now we assume it will not rain, because I told you we have to assume the negation of our goal. We know the humidity is high and the sky is cloudy, that means P and Q. If P is humidity is high and sky is cloudy, and if the sentence like this, humidity is high and the sky is cloudy, then the FOPL is P and Q. We also know that if the sky is cloudy, then it will rain. So the sky is cloudy means Q, it will rain means R, that means Q implies R. As for the first law of FOPL conversion into CNF, we have to reduce or we have to remove this implied sign. Then the first predicate added with a negation sign and the implied symbol replaced by an OR. So Q implies R is equivalent to negation Q or R. We give in the second equation. We also know that if the humidity is high, then it is hot. So also we get P, the humidity is high, and the S it is hot, so P plus S, which is equivalent to negation P or S. This is the law of first law as per when we FOPL convert into CNF. And this is the third equation. Here as for the goal, we assume it is not hot, so we negate the goal, so negation S is equivalent to 4 equation. And our goal is R, it will rain. Now the techniques gives the following solution. As for the first equation, P and Q, and we are taking as for the second negation Q or R. We always considering this negative equation because we know this negation Q and Q reduce itself and eliminate each other. So P and Q and negation Q or R eliminate each other and we will get P or R, because Q and negation Q both are equal with negative symbol, so they neutralize each other. So we get P or R. We have as per third equation negation P or S, so we can also utilize it, and this negation P and this P utilize each other and we get R or S. As for the fourth equation, we have negation S, so these R or S and negation S utilize each other, we get R only. And as for our negation goal, as for the sixth equation, we have negation R and R utilize each other and we get phi. And Since we get 5, so we can say our resolution technique is proper. Otherwise, we assume some another options. So this is the total resolution technique where we always consider the negations ones, because we know this negation, if we get the negation ones, if we receive that negation ones, then this negation and normal neutralize each other. So we always apply this type of negation symbols. If we remove in plus sign, then we get this negation. So in that scenario, we get 5. This is the all about technique regarding resolution technique. Please share and like and give me feedback. In my next video, I am giving more and more examples upon this artificial intelligence technique. Thank you and have a bright future.